Imagine a world where mathematics isn't just a subject, but a magical language revealing the secrets of the universe. Today, we dive into the symphony of shapes, discovering the beauty of area and perimeter. From the simple square to the complex hexagon, each shape holds a story, a tale of sides and spaces. But these aren't just abstract concepts, oh no. They are the architects of the world around us, the dimensions of a football field, the blueprint of your dream house, even the design of the smartphone in your hand, all rely on understanding area and perimeter. And for our young scholars, this isn't just another chapter in your textbook. It's a step towards a future where you're the creators, the innovators, the ones shaping our world. So why not embark on this journey of exploration and discovery? We're here to guide you, to make learning not just efficient but enjoyable. Book a demo with us today. Details are in the description, and let's unravel the mysteries of shapes, perimeter, and together. Thank you for your time. Remember, the universe is a shape waiting to be understood. Let's explore it, one shape at a time.